In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Forms for event registration. We're going to build a clean event registration form from scratch, so let's jump straight in. Start by opening Microsoft Forms in your browser and signing in with your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard, where all your existing forms and templates live. Take a quick look to confirm you're on the start from the new Microsoft Forms welcome screen, because that's where the new registration option lives. On this welcome screen, locate the registration option and click it. Now wait a moment for Microsoft Forms to open the registration builder and template screen. This is the screen where you'll choose your starting layout. Now we're going to choose the event registration template. In the registration screen, look for the template list on the page. From that list, click the option labeled Event Registration. Forms will then load a pre-built registration form for you, already filled with common attendee and event questions. Next, let's edit the title and description so the form matches your event. Click directly on the form title at the top of the page. Now type the new title, Bright Future Summit Registration, and let that update on the page. After the title, click the description area sitting just under it. In that description box, type, Register for the Bright Future Summit on next Thursday at 10 a.m. Then continue typing. We'll use your answers to plan sessions and check in. Take your time so the full description reads cleanly on the page. Now let's review the existing questions on the form. Click each pre-filled question card one by one so you can see what's already there. Keep the useful registration fields like name, session choice, food allergies, or contact details, since those are the basics most attendees expect to fill in. For any question you don't actually need, click its trash or delete icon on that question card to remove it from the form. With the basics cleaned up, we're going to add one custom question. Click Add New, or the plus button on the form. From the question types, choose Choice. In the question field, type, which session will you attend? Once the question is in, you'll add two answer options below it. For the first option, type Morning Workshop into the first answer slot. Then for the second option, type Afternoon Workshop into the next answer slot. Finally, toggle on the required switch for this question so attendees can't skip it. Now let's style the form. Click Style at the top of the editor. From the Style panel, pick a simple theme or background that fits the event. Look over the form and confirm it still looks clean and readable, with the new styling applied. Before sharing, preview the form to make sure everything works. Click Preview at the top of the page. Check that the title, the description, and your required questions all display correctly the way an attendee would see them. Once you're happy with the preview, click back to return to the editing view. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now we're going to get the registration link. Click Collect Responses at the top of the form. In the settings panel that opens, set the audience to anyone can respond, so people outside your organization can register too. If the option is available, turn on Shorten URL to make the link easier to share. Then click Copy Link to copy the registration URL to your clipboard. You should now have a Microsoft Forms event registration form with a custom title, event details in a description, required attendee questions, a styled background, and a copied public registration link that's ready to share with your audience. Congratulations! Your event registration form is fully built and ready to go. Paste that link into your invitation emails, social posts, or event page, and start collecting registrations right away.